Hello, hi JVNs. My name is Asif Ali, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University, Jaipur. New topic: radiation hazard and protection. Radiation hazard and protection. Introduction to radiation. Introduction to radiation. Radiation refers to tiny invisible or high speed particles or high energy electromagnetic wave energy that passes from one location to another and can have many manifestations. Types of radiation. Types of radiation: ionizing and non-ionizing radiation. Ionizing and non-ionizing radiation. Second, ionizing radiation and non-ionizing radiation. So non-ionizing radiation is alpha particles and ionizing radiation beta particles. Ionizing radiation and non-ionizing radiation. And second, particulate radiation. Particulate radiation is first alpha particles and beta particles. Alpha particles and beta particles. So definition of medical radiation exposure. Definition of medical radiation exposure. The International Commission on Radiological Protection, ICRP. The International Commission on Radiological Protection, ICRP, has defined exposure to medical radiation in following three categories. First, exposure of individual for diagnostic, interventional and therapeutic purpose. Exposure of individual for diagnostic, interventional and therapeutic purpose. Exposure in cure and willingly by individual helping either in hospital or at home in the support and comfort of patient undergoing diagnosis or treatment. Exposure in cure by volunteers as a part of a program of biomedical research. Source of medical radiation exposure. X-ray machine. Radiation causes ionization of atoms, which may affect molecules, which may affect cells, which may affect tissue, and which may affect organs, which may affect the whole body. Radiation cause of ionizations. Radiation cause ionization of atoms, which may affect molecules, which may affect cells, which may affect tissue, which may affect organs, and which may affect the whole body. Discover of biological effect of radiation. Following the discovery of the X-ray, Dr. Anthony Henry Becquerel discovered another form of radiation that differ from the X-ray. The radiation was emitted by a naturally occurring uranium compound. Soon after radiation was discovered, its biological effects were found. The photograph of the arm of Pierre Curie. In 1900, he applied radium solution on his left arm and report the subsequent change of the skin. The ring shape on his arm is as he report in this study due to the radium caused bun-like change on his skin which later heal. Radiation effect. Radiation effect. Radiation effect on the molecular and cellular level. On the cellular level. First, target of biological effect of radiation. Target of biological effect of radiation. Radiation induce DNA damage and cellular radio response. Third, mutation and radiation effect on tissue organism. First, classification of radiation exposure and its effect on human body, radiosensitivity of cell and tissue. Target of biological effect of radiation. Transplant experiment in amoeba and target in nucleus DNA. Target in DNA. Subsequent study reveal that the major target of radiation is DNA. The biological effect of radiation is strongly influenced by DNA. The damage and its repair after irradiation. Radiation induced DNA damage, order of frequency, damage base only, damage that cause break of one strand and damage that cause two strands at the same location to break. Cell response to radiation exposure. DNA to RNA to protein to normal cell function, and DNA radiation to DNA fall on radiation to DNA damage and stop of cell proliferation, synthesis of repair enzyme and DNA damage and cell death. Mutation. Radiation just like chemical substance and virus has the ability to induce mutation in the somatic cell, increase the risk of cancer. Mutation in reproductive cell increase the risk of cancer and may be transmitted to future generation as genetic effect. Types of radiation damage. Acute radiation damage. These appear at the least after 2 to 3 months of exposure. The causal relationship with radiation is easy to find. Example that leukopenia, skin reaction, and late radiation damage. These appear after a long incubation period following exposure. The causal relationship between radiation is often difficult to find. Example, cancer, genetic effect, cataract, growth failure. Principle of cellular radiosensitivity. Frequently dividing cell have high radio sensitivity. Cell with the ability to divide over a long period have high radio sensitivity. Undifferentiated cell have high radio sensitivity. The cell cycle and radiation sensitivity differ depending on the phase of the cell cycle. This is referred to as a cell cycle dependence of radiosensitivity. The relationship between the cell cycle and radiation sensitivity show the early G1 phase and low sensitivity, late G1 phase, early S1 phase, high sensitivity, late S phase to G2 phase, low sensitivity, and M phase is high sensitivity. Effect of radiation on organism and tissue level. Effect of radiation on organism and tissue level. Deterministic effect and stochastic effect. Deterministic effect and stochastic effect. Stochastic effect divided to carcinogenesis and genetics effect. Stochastic effect is divided to carcinogenesis and genetic effect. Classification of biological effect of radiation. Classification of biological effect of radiation. The biological effect of radiation are divided into deterministic effect and stochastic effect. Deterministic effect, crystal dose, yes, and as the exposed dose increase, seriousness increase, and damage excluding stochastic effect, whole harmful tissue reaction, and stochastic effect, threshold dose no, and frequency of occurrence increase, and genetic influence and carcinogenesis. Deterministic effect are caused by the cell death. Deterministic effects are caused by the cell death, and symptoms do not appear at dose that does not cause a certain level of cell death. If the dose of radiation exposure is less than the threshold dose, it will not cause damage symptoms. Example, death of the individual cataract, damage to skin, damage to intestinal epithelial cells, damage to bone marrow. Stochastic effects are caused by mutant cell. It even one mutant cell appear, it may cause the effect of radiation. If the dose of radiation increase, the probability of effect also increase. Stochastic effect means the even low level of radiation exposure guarantees safety. Effect of radiation on the gastrointestinal tract. Gastrointestinal tract. The duodenum is the most radiosensitive part in the GI tract. The crypt cell such as stem cell, proliferation cells, and intestinal gland are especially sensitive to radiation. 10 gray or more of radiation exposure will stop proliferation of crypt cell, and as mature epithelial cell reach the end of their life, the submucosal tissue are exposed. Tissue damaged by radiation cause dehydration due to diarrhea, bleeding, and abdominal pains. If the damage is severe, it leads to death. Radiation carcinogenesis and radiation mutation and radiation genetics. So radiation carcinogenesis, mutation caused by exposure to radiation, is the cause of radiation carcinogenesis. And back when the danger of radiation still was not recognized, many people to cancer due to the lack of knowledge and preparation against radiation hazard. Example of radiation carcinogenesis history: skin cancer, osteosarcoma, and lungs cancer and liver cancer. Skin cancer, X-ray bulb factory work are exposed to a large amount of radiation in the process of their work. And osteosarcoma, people who paint clock passes with luminescence paint containing radium suffer radiation exposure when they like brushes. Lung cancer, mines in uranium mine inhale radon by breathing exposure their lungs or to X-ray. And liver cancer, contrast agent contain dioxide thorium which emit a ray lead to exposure. Thank you.